Unfortunately, some places may see some of that heavy rain yet again tomorrow night. Here's a look at what happened last night, though. Those reds and oranges showing that 5 to even 7 inches of rain that fell across parts of western Wisconsin. The heaviest of it missed southeastern Wisconsin, but yes, we still got about a ½ an inch in Milwaukee, up to an inch and a quarter or so down in portions of Walworth County, and that was last night. Now we're dry today, but tomorrow we're going to be watching another storm system bring another round of heavy rain. So flash flood watches have been posted for, again, much of western and southern Wisconsin. That does include the counties that do not need it. Jefferson, Walworth, Racine, and Kenosha County flash flood watch posted for 4 p.m. tomorrow until 9 a.m. on Saturday. So another round of some heavy potential rain coming tomorrow night. Right now, though, dry, warm and muggy. 77, a little cooler by the lakefront in Milwaukee. 82 in Waukesha, 85. Whitewater, 86 in Fond du Lac. And again, a little bit of a lake breeze has set up, so it's cooler right at the lakefront. Everywhere else, a northerly direction to the wind, which is a little counterintuitive to where the dew points are at right now. They are in the 70s, so it is very sticky, very warm and humid, and it's going to stay that way tomorrow, Saturday, and then Sunday. We're going to start to watch those dew points drop. Much more comfortable conditions expected as we go into next week, and that's when we got a nice stretch of dry weather thanks to high pressure. Right now, though, enjoy the dry time that we've got. Tomorrow, a warm front's on the way. That puts us in a slight risk for strong to severe storms. Biggest threat's going to be wind, as well as the potential for, again, yes, more flooding. And again, some of that could be pretty fast and furious. So how about we time it out for you? The rest of the evening should be good for Jazz in the Park. Tomorrow morning should be good as well. We'll watch one little batch of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms in the early afternoon hours. However, more concerned about what this computer model is picking up on. That could be another one of those bow echoes that brings some heavy rain as well as some intense winds later in the evening hours and overnight. Another batch of heavy rain expected to swing on through into your Saturday morning. Then just an isolated chance for a shower or two. How much rain? Right now looking like a good 1 to 2 inches, could even see up to 3 inches, and an isolated higher amount if some of those storms keep on developing over the same place by day as well. However, wasn't the story last night and into early this morning. Look at all this rain around La Crosse down through Madison. Anywhere from 4 to 7 inches fell last night there. For us, we dodged the heavy rain bullet last night. However, we're already looking ahead to tomorrow, where we do have a flash flood watch posted for much of western and southern Wisconsin. Yes, that does include the places that do not need any extra rain. Racine, Kenosha, Walworth, and Jefferson County are going to be in that flash flood watch tomorrow afternoon through Saturday morning. So that's when, again, you can expect the heaviest of the rain. And exactly where it's going to fall, well, heaviest places look to be down towards the south. And the Fox River does not need any extra rain. Waukesha and Mukwonago, the places there are watching the river levels fall, but after last night's rain, Burlington, the Fox River near you, is rising just a little bit. It will start to fall again tomorrow before we get that next round of rain. Similar story near New Munster, but again, expecting those to get it back up to moderate flood stage. Not quite where we were last week, thankfully, but still enough rain to get you saying, here we go again. Temperatures right now at 76 degrees, very close to our dew points, which are in the 70s. So you certainly felt the tropical air today. You're going to feel it again tomorrow and Saturday before we watch a cold front swing through. That's going to drop our dew points back down to the more comfortable range by the time we get to next week. So right now, pretty quiet on the radar. Tomorrow, though, very different story. Storm Prediction Center putting us under a slight risk for strong to severe storms. Largest threats tomorrow evening, wind, as well as potential for some of that flash flooding. So let's time this out for you again. Tomorrow morning, staying dry, some storms down to our south, but as we get into the afternoon hours, we could see an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Notice these pinks and dark reds, though. That's one round of heavy rain, potentially between about 7 p.m. and 11 p.m. Then overnight, looking at more heavy rain, potentially right along the state line. That will wrap up by Saturday morning, and then we'll just be left with some humid conditions, at least to start on Saturday. Things will be decreasing as far as the humidity is concerned on Sunday. So how much rain in the rain gauge? This is for Milwaukee, close to an inch Friday night and into Saturday. How much